Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Discord app icon with the very latest version of the app. Whether you want something sleek, colorful, or just different from the standard one, this new feature makes it incredibly easy to personalize your home screen. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. From the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. That's a small circle that takes you straight to your user settings. Once you're there, tap the settings icon. This opens all of your account preferences and customization options. Scroll down through the list until you find a section labeled App Icon. Now, this is where the fun part begins. Tap App Icon and you'll see a whole collection of different icon styles available to choose from. Discord often includes classic versions, colorful gradients, and even limited time theme icons depending on the season or special events. Take a moment to explore the different looks. When you see one that fits your style, go ahead and tap it. The app will instantly update and your Discord icon on the home screen will change to match the new design you selected. It's that simple. If you're a Discord Nitro subscriber, you might notice some exclusive icon options only available to you. These premium designs are a great way to make your Discord app stand out even more, and that's it.